and welcome to this tutorial on how to deploy custom payloads on Mac devices with Scalefusion UEM. To deploy custom payloads, go to the Device Profile and Policy section and click on Device Profiles. Select the macOS profile in which you'd wish to deploy the custom payload and click on Edit. Navigate to Custom Settings. Choose whether to send the payload on the user channel and select the conflict resolution method, determining if the device profile or the custom payload takes precedence. Now, either type or import your custom payload and click on Validate. Then, click on Save. The custom payload gets saved in the profile and is applied to devices and users present in the profile as per the command set. Thank you for watching and subscribe to Scalefusion's YouTube channel for more such videos.